Hi, I'm Lee from toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to show you the DeWalt DCZ211S2R 10.8V twin pack. As you can see, the machine comes in a plastic stylish case. Inside the box we have the warranty details and set of instructions. The machine comes with a 10.8V battery charger. First machine is a 10.8V DCZ211S2R impact driver. As you can see, the machine comes with one screwdriver bit. The machine has forward and reverse. Comes with a 10.8V 1.5A lithium-ion battery. As you can see, comes with lights for using in dark spaces. Second machine, 10.8V lithium-ion DCZ211S2R drill driver. Has a 2-speed gearbox, 16 torque settings. Also comes with lithium-ion 1.5A battery. That is the DCZ211S2R twin pack.